Hello everyone. In this video, let's see how to edit vertical video, landscape video into YouTube Shorts and how you can edit those into YouTube Shorts. So for that, let's open our Adobe Premiere Pro. This will take some time. So after opening Adobe Premiere Pro, click on New Project. Let's create one project and you can give the name. I'm going to give this as YouTube Shorts Video Edit. Okay, let's click on create. It will ask for some media to import. So for that, I will be importing this video. You can import any images, videos, or something as you wish. So it will right now it is importing. Now it is showing to edit in vertical, right, landscape mode. So go to this. If you want this in vertical, I mean for YouTube Shorts resolution, for that click on this file and click on this new, and here you can see the option sequence. Click on this sequence, and now these are all the two presents I saved previously. These are all the some presents I've been working on. So you can create your own settings, customs. Click on this. Maybe it is not showing. Let me open it once again. New sequence. Yeah, now it is showing. Click on this settings, and now here you can give your custom resolutions and all. This is the horizontal dimension and this is the vertical dimensions. Right now this is the standard dimensions used by the YouTube Shorts, so I'm giving it as 1080 and 1920. You can also set the frame rates here, and also, yeah, that's all. And here you need to set this square pixels aspect ratios to square pixels 1.0. Okay, after this you can also save this present like as you wanted. Let's give it as YouTube Shorts dimensions sequence resolution. Okay, after this click on the save present. Okay, let's just copy this sequence, save present, and save this name and click on OK. It will show here, I guess, in customs. Yeah, in customs you can see this is the dimension you've been using. Click on enter. So now see here it is showing this kind of previously working this sequence. This is the sequence like this it was showing. Now it is showing YouTube Shorts which we just added. See here you can see this sequence. Okay, now you can import by Control I. Again you need to import, I guess. I am also new to this, but I am been learning this Adobe tool. So now import this video, drag and drop onto your timeline. Okay, keep existing settings. It is asking for the sequence to be same. Okay, now you need to edit this video how you wanted. Let's drag and let's make it fit to the screen. Okay, for editing purpose that much is fine. Just to show you, I will be removing this video so it will be exported quickly. Let's ripple delete. Right now this is 20 seconds, I guess, and click on Ctrl S to save, and once click enter so it will be properly. And after everything, this is how you can set up YouTube Shorts, resolution. This is how you can set up dimensions. After this, let's export, and here you can set up the quality of the video. to export, while you exporting, how much quality it is going to be exported. And also I need to set up one more thing while exporting: the location where I want to save and what is the name of this file. Okay, I want this in desktop location as this YouTube Shorts dimension, video file name as. Okay, it is taking some time. Yeah, now the export is completed. Here you can see the location of this video. So let's go to our desktop location. This is the video we just created right now, and
Hello
here you can
everyone.
see the
Hello
dimension
everyone.
of this
In this
video.
video, we will see how to create post API and how we can post data
Yeah,
to
this is
the server.
the
And also,
that's how you can edit YouTube Shorts in Adobe Premiere Pro with YouTube Shorts dimension. Thanks for watching. And also, if you want related videos like this, subscribe to my channel.